I can't believe we're still going through this.
He's gonna die. You're gonna kill my dog.
We head to Trenton, Michigan for a probation violation hearing. 52-year-old James Adams has pled guilty to no dog license and letting his dog run at large. 8 months earlier, after Adams failed to get his dog vaccinated for rabies, he was cited for allowing it to run freely without a license. He pled guilty and was sentenced to 12 months probation, 5 days of community service, and ordered to pay a fine of $615. He was also given a month to get his dog a rabies vaccine and obtain a license. When Adams failed to do either of these things, he was ordered to appear in court before Judge Michael McNally to hear if his probation will be revoked. He appears without an attorney.
I ordered you to have this dog licensed. It came to my attention 2 weeks ago that you didn't.
That's right.
Hang on. It's very simple, Mr. Adams. I can't believe we're still going through this.
He's gonna die. You're gonna kill my dog.
I'm not gonna kill your dog.
If he gets that vaccine, he will die. He almost died before.
So,
Should I just put a bullet and go home and put a bullet in his head?
hang on a second.
I mean, I can do that. Just get it over with. If that's the ruling, then I'll just go home and put a bullet in his head. That way he doesn't have to suffer. You ought to see what he went through. It was horrible.
Listen,
And now you want to kill my dog? And this, who's going to be accountable to that? You can't have it. I'll...
Judge McNally uses his gavel to restore order.
I tried to do them both.
Listen.
Once.
listen,
He cannot have the shot.
listen.
He will die.
Listen.
I have the proof for it. He cannot have the shot. I was not negligent. I have been trying and trying and trying. I don't know what else to do other than kill him.
Nobody wants your dog to
Well, if you
die.
vaccinate him, he's pretty much dead.
Listen,
The doctors are recommending for me not to do it.
in order for a dog to be licensed, the dog has to have its shots. It has to be vaccinated. Now, what you're saying to me is, be a god, be a king, and just say the hell with their ordinance. But that's not what judges do.
Your Honor,
I want you to listen to me for a second. That's what you want me to do. I can't do that.
The judge brings in prosecutor Caitlin Foley Carter, who's been in touch with state legislators about the ordinance.
Your Honor.
Ms. Foley Carter,
The state reiterated our position is that there are no exceptions or exemptions to not getting the rabies vaccination.
and I'm supposed to let this dog run around and bite somebody? You know, people fight, dogs bite.
You can't amend this and try to fix it for a remedy? Because there needs to
Fix
be
it for a remedy. What, ignore the Brownstown
No,
laws?
it's 106 years old.
And you signed a plea agreement saying must register and obtain licenses for all animals in the home within 30 days. That's in part and part. I ordered that. Do it. I am not about to carve out an exception for you or anybody else or myself. Now, I'm not going to argue with you. You want to get your lawyer here and you want to contest this, you feel free. I'll give you an opportunity. I'll adjourn it a week. But my patience is running thin.
So-
Nobody wants your dog to die, Mr. Adams.
He's got a really good chance of dying.
A week later, Adams returned with his attorney and pled guilty. He was ordered to pay a fine of $125 and agreed to get his dog a rabies shot, which he did. His dog is fine.